Good afternoon. How are you all? Hope we are all doing well. This is the continuation of last video. So in last video you could see the operations on data structure. How many operations you have done inserting a particular element to this list, right? So that is what the insertion you have seen, and deletion. Today in today's video I have shown how to delete a particular element using binary search. Using binary search, searching of particular element, and you are going to delete that particular element, removal of data element from the data structure or list. And then searching particular element by using linear search and binary search, right? These two search are in your syllabus. You should know the particular things, as well as this is the record work and practical examination. Most important questions will be asked from the externals will be this searching, binary searching and linear searching, so that you should be thorough in it. So you have to go through these videos and work out every codings and scripts, and then find out the outputs. Okay, so this is what the thing to in these holidays you are going to work out this linear search, binary search, and those things. And traversal also one of the most important thing. These things will be asked in board exam. When your theory examination, they will ask about this traversal. So today we are going to see how you are going to deal these elements of list data structure in an operation of traversal. After that, sorting in 11th standard you have seen how to arrange every elements in a list by using bubble sort, insertion sort, and everything, right? So this sorting today, this year, we are not going to deal anything, but you have to work out in 11th standard portion. That is what the thing. And merging is a new thing. We are going to learn that things also. Now you see here, today we are going to do this traversal, because board examination theory questions will be asked from traversal. So you should know what are the things of traversal. Okay, so last year you could see so many things, but this year what are the things you are going to deal with that? This is what the traversing. Look at here, just the question will be asked, how to write a program to double the list elements. List elements means single dimensional array. Okay, they will say that how to double the elements of single dimensional array. They won't mention list. Okay, so but here for your understanding we are using the particular name list, but in programming, in board exam question paper, in theory examinations, they won't ask in list. Okay, so they will say that how to double all the elements of particular single dimensional array. So you are going to write a program for that, and this is the main program. I'll show my thing. I'll be now, I have written so many programs. Now you could see that. Now you see here board examination questions, doubling of elements of array. So now L1 is array or list 1. We are going to pass in this particular definition. The definition name is double. Okay, so in this particular function, what you are going to do, for I in range 0 to L, length of L1 minus 1, or you just say that length of this particular element. So we are just going to say I in range 0 to this particular length, or just length of this shortcut. You can write length of list 1, right? So in 11th standard you learned how to write this range without using the starting point. Ending point, ending range only will be given by the system user programmer. Then the system will take from 0. Okay, so now what you are going to do, you are just going to multiply all the elements in the list by 2. That is what doubling. So L1 of I is equal to L1 of I into 2. That is what the thing you are going to doubling all the elements. So list 1 of I is equal to list 1 of I into 2. So in shortcut in 11th standard you know how to write this one.